What's up guys, it's Trevor with Embers Living. Today we have a really fun video. It's actually really unexpected. So, you know, we work at a barbecue shop, so we grill a lot, right? So I went over to Whole Foods, got some bison ribeyes because gotta have a nice barbecue lunch in the middle of summer. And I stumbled across this guy and I was like, oh my goodness, we have to make a video. We have to get creative with what we cook sometimes. Check this out. Oh my gosh, it smells terrible. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's stuck. Look at this guy. There's his eyes. Oh yeah, we have to figure out a way to grill a whole octopus. Let's get going. You're a sick puppy, that's why.
No. Nope.
Are you gonna gag? Get in here, Randy, have a piece. It gets way too fishy.
God, that is disgusting.
So I figured I'm up to the challenge. If there's a piece of equipment here that can make this taste good, we have it. We got to put our thinking caps. I have no idea how we're going to prepare this or cook this. Should we research it or should we just use our gut? This guy doesn't have any guts. Zane, come over here. Take a big whiff of this guy. Oh, ooh. Oh, he's ripe.
That smells like death.
Yeah. What do you think that is? Check. Get a close up of his eyes. Look at those eyes. Poor guy. Okay, Zane.
Oh.
$100, we gotta cut out his eye and you eat it.
Raw?
Yeah. $100.
I'll do it. Actually.
200.
200?
I'll do
$100.
I'll do it.
Yeah. No, I can't. I'm sorry.
200?
Wait.
The longer I'm around this thing, the less appealing it sounds. How can we make this taste good, you think? What are our choices?
Octopus?
Yeah. Get another whiff.
I can smell it. I would say some kind of fry. Either oil fry it, pan fry it.
Fry it. Okay, that's one idea. We could sear it. What else could we do?
Did you lick it?
You lick it.
Zane, come lick this.
No.
So
We need a
Zane,
before and after taste.
Elijah said he'd eat an eyeball for $100. I got it.
Oh.
I got it. I got it.
It. Oh. No.
I got it, Elijah. Okay, one octopus eyeball coming up.
All right.
Get a close up of that. Get in here, Zane. One eyeball. Okay, palm out. Really get in there. You got to chew it.
Ready? That's easy.
And
It's just salty. Tastes like the ocean.
it's salty. We haven't even seasoned it yet.
Oh, it's salty.
Can I do it for $100?
That was too easy. 50 bucks.
I'll do it for 50.
This guy just dropped the price on me.
All right, let's figure out how to cook this thing. Should we cook them whole or slice them, cut them up? I almost think we should grill it, right? That's what we do. That's our specialty, is barbecues. Okay, well, let's fire up the grill. Okay, so my weapon of choice right now is gonna be our Lynx all-trident infrared burner. It's really hard to go wrong with this grill. As you guys know, it's one of my go-tos. Now, we cheated. We did a little bit of research and it says you really need to boil this guy. Otherwise, it's just not gonna tenderize. No one wants octopus with bad texture. It's bad enough eating it in general, right? Yeah, so got some fresh filtered water. What's cool with this stuff is We have a power burner inside. I just don't feel like hooking it up to it's on natural gas. I don't feel like making a mess inside. So we're gonna do a makeshift boiler on our Lynx grill. That's what's great about having all this equipment here is we can really make anything we want work. So it's boiling right now. So we got our water boiling. I was really going back and forth on what we should do here. You know, we got it, whatever we want at our disposal. I thought, should we smoke them on the Kamado Joe? Should we pan sear them in the pizza oven? Should we sear them on our infrared gas grill? Should we throw them on the pellet smoker? Anyways, we did some research. We decided we're gonna boil him. So we're almost to temp here. We're gonna boil our buddy.
What's the pros of doing that?
Well, apparently if you don't boil him, he's super tough. If any of you guys have any feedback for us out there, you let us know. How would you cook him? I think we're gonna go all gas, so we'll see. Oh man, he stinks so bad. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. But, time to cook you. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. You can just shrivel right up. I'll be a son of a gun. That is so weird. That is so bizarre. You getting hungry?
No.
No? You still, how's your tummy from that eyeball? Not that good? All right, I think he's about ready. Oh, look at him. He's nice and spongy. So let's get him in here. And what I'm gonna do, let's go throw him on ice for a minute and cool him down. Oh, he still stinks. Let's cool him down. And then that way I can slice him up, season him, get him ready for the grill. Let's let our buddy cool down for a minute. Why is there frozen takeout pizza in here? Do you guys reheat this ever? Come on. Come on, guy.
Yep.
All right, I'm gloving up. I just can't, because he stinks. Oh my goodness. Okay. So what we're gonna do is cut just above here. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna cut up all the tentacles. Throw them in here. Now what I'm gonna do, I think ideally you'd wanna use some lemons, but all we have is limes. So we're improvising. I mean, it's Octopus, right? So you can get some fresh lime juice in there. Brian said you can't go wrong with Old Bay. Is that right, Brian? I think we can use the large end. I don't think on an octopus, there's no such thing as over seasoning it, right? All right, so I switched to the Everdure for 2 reasons. One, I thought the cast iron would be a nice touch. And then see, the Everdure kind of has this solid spot above the burner. Did you hear that thing make us hiss? I thought it'd be kind of good to not have the little tiny tentacles on the open grill grates. Could be wrong, but I don't know. Might not matter. Come on, little guy. Kind of look like little shrimps, don't they? Mm-hmm. All right, so I mean, it was pretty much cooked already. Whew, that Cajun spicy. So I'm just gonna give it a minute or two and then we're gonna flip them. All right, I think these babies are ready. Time to do or die. See how we did. I'm gonna go with this one. It's got a nice char. I'm gonna peel that char off. All right, here goes. So the skin is definitely chewy. But on the inside, it's a lot like calamari. Except the, these little, what are these called?
Sections.
Suctions are
Suction cups.
more pronounced in your mouth. Oh. It's getting real fishy all of a sudden. Woo. Oh my gosh.
Wash it down, boss.
Oh. I have never really had it, so I don't know if we did a good job or not. The flavoring's good. The texture seems like it's right. Hey, Bo, come try this octopus.
Octopus?
Yeah. Let's see what you think. Bo just came in from the warehouse. He has no idea what's going on. Why don't you grab one of those and down the hatch?
All right.
You just shove the whole thing in.
It's so rubbery.
So the skin is what's rubbery, but apparently on the inside it's going to give you like a better texture, like a calamari. What do you think?
It's super good, actually.
You like it?
Yeah, like as far as fish goes, this is sweet. This is really good.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't know if it's my cup of tea, but Bo likes it.
I don't know if I can eat this whole thing.
That's fine.
Bow. Which side did you start on?
That's the skinnier side. The skin is definitely chewy. Some people say you should take the skin off.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's enough.
Yeah, it's like you can't get down the hatch.
I couldn't eat more than like a couple bites.
All right, Tate. I think maybe we didn't do the best job. No, just take a whole leg.
I don't want a whole egg. I
Okay.
just watch these guys suffer through it.
I don't think we did the best job
You eat tentacle end first, Brian?
because a lot of people like it. Come on, get in there.
I don't know why though. I might go like, round 2 on it. You would.
You're a sick puppy, that's why.
No. Nope.
Are you gonna gag? Get in here, Randy, have a piece.
Tate's not a fan?
It's pretty tough, the first little part of it.
I like it.
Yeah.
It kind of tastes the way I expected it to.
I'm wondering if we should have cooked it longer, boiled it longer.
Yeah.
That might have helped. Okay, well that was our experiment with Octopus. Would you call it a fail? You didn't try it. No. You already, he tried an eye, so guess what that means?
It's 100.
100 big ones. I'm not giving him 200 though, because it's too easy. So, $100 for him. You want to get in here? Make sure you guys subscribe. As always, we're in the Denver, Colorado area. We got more videos on the docket. This was just a fun little experiment we did. No? Was the eye better?
I don't know, man.
All right, stay tuned for more.